Okay, this is about to be viral. Okay, so we are going to make a salad of your dreams here. We're gonna do that mandarin orange chicken, shredded carrots, some sugar snap peas, this salad mix, sweet chili mango. We're gonna chop up some of these sesame honey cashews, arugula, some cucumber, green onions, some real mango bits, and lastly, for the kimchi lovers, this is optional, some chopped kimchi. And let's get it going.
Alright, put it in my beautiful salad bowl. I'm going to do a little crushed pepper. And a couple more of these on top. Like so. Lastly, I'm going to zip out to the garden to grab some mint. Okay, I grabbed the mint and give it a nice little rinse there. I just like to use scissors. This just adds some brightness. You don't have mint, don't add it. But me personally, I love it. Okay, that looks amazing. Orange chicken salad.
Alright, here's the orange chicken salad. It's gonna go viral. It's so freaking bomb. You're gonna be obsessed. You're gonna wanna eat it multiple days, and it's fast. You can add whatever toppings you want in it. It's just chef's kiss delicious. Make it. Let me know what you think.